Hey Johnny Park is a song by Foo Fighters from their album Color in the Shape, and it's in drop D. Now here's a trick to putting your guitar in drop D. You can pluck the high D string and then pluck the low string and tune it so that it sounds like they are an octave apart. Just like that. If you're a little bit off, it'll make a noise like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. But if you bring it down, it'll sound like it's in nice succession with each other, in harmony with each other. So, here we are at the beginning of Hey Johnny Park. What are those chords? That is a power chord on the 9th fret of the fretboard here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now he's doing a power chord there on guitar 1, and then he's moving down to the 7th fret, then he's moving down to the 2nd fret. He's also got something at this is the 3rd chord of the whole song. He's also bringing his middle finger into the mix on the 3rd fret of the B, and his ring fingers right here on the 4th fret of the G. And when you actually bar the 2nd fret right there, it creates this chord. So it starts with... And then he comes up to the 5th fret, and then it's open, and then back to that 2nd fret. And that's the sequence for the first guitar on Hey Johnny Park. There's another guitar that's going like this. Now what is that riff? That is an index finger on the 9th fret of the D string. And he's going to basically be doing kind of like a power chord. But the riff is da da da. So it's the 11th fret of the G and the 9th fret of the D. Da da da. And then 12, 11. Da 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 da. That's happening underneath, well actually I would say on top of the first guitar, which is going... Actually, there's a little fun thing that he does because it's an electric guitar. When he comes up to this 5th fret, he goes, whoa! So if you've got an electric guitar, definitely throw that in there. And the way that works is you put your finger all the way up here at the very top of the guitar, and on an electric guitar it sounds way better. But he does like a big slide down the whole electric guitar. And then so the intro is 2 guitars, one of them playing all the power chords, then the 2nd guitar is up here doing this riff, and remember that's the 9th fret of the D. So he kind of does that towards the end of that riff. It's basically just the 9th fret, the 11th fret of the G, and then the 10th fret of the B string is what's creating that. Bonjour, good to see you out there, y'all. That is the intro for Hey Johnny Park. We are going to move to the verse now, and that's going to be a B minor chord. Come, let me do the little reverb. Come and I'll take you under this beautiful bruises, colors. Everything fades in time, it's true. So there's a little bit of like a on-off switch that he's got here from the 2nd fret to the open string. So what are those chords? That's B minor, second fret of the A with your index finger, and then ring finger on the 4th fret of the D, pinky on the 4th fret of the G, and then middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B. So you got this. Come and I'll take you under. And that's B minor to D. And then you're gonna go back to B minor. This beautiful bruises colors, everything fades. So this is where it goes down to the A chord. So the very tail end of the verse actually slides like a descending motion. B minor, everything fades in time, it's true. So what is that? That's A major. I put my index finger on the 2nd fret of the D, G, and B string to make the A major. And then I go all the way down here to make this chord, which in drop D, that is essentially an E minor 7 chord. But don't forget, he's got this little da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. He's pulling off the index finger and then bringing it back again to make that da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. So that's the verse, and then the way we get into the chorus is he's gonna do one of these like da-ba-da. It's like a syncopation. It's impossible. So to get from the verse into the chorus, you're gonna use the 4th fret of this power chord situation. That's the 4th fret, and then 5th fret, it's impossible. Then you're gonna go down to a D chord. I can't let it out, you'll never know. Am I selling you out? Sit and watch your every. And then we go into the C add 9, move, and then a B over G. So the tail end of this chorus has a pretty fun sequence where it's going to be D. Sorry, it's not going to be D. The tail end of this sequence is C add 9, move, and then B over G. All I'm doing is going from that C add 9, which is middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A, index finger on the 2nd fret of the D, and then ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B. All I'm doing is just moving my index finger to be the bass note of the next chord, which is right here, the 2nd fret of the A string. Your every move, C add 9, G, then here's the cool chord, F. So that F chord is the 3rd fret of the low 3 strings here, and you're just gonna bar the bottom 3, or you're gonna be bar the 3rd fret, and you're gonna play just the bottom 3 strings. And then you're gonna open it up to the drop D. So at the very tail end of the chorus, it's impossible, I can't let it out, you'll never know, am I selling you out? Sit and watch your every. Here we go. C add 9, then there's the B over G, then the F, then D. Back into the intro. Don't forget that second guitar. That's how you play Hey Johnny Park by the Foo Fighters.